Now measure the fundic height in centimeters correctly. So how do we do that? Place one end of the measuring tape over the symphysis pubis and then carry it over the curvature of the uterus until you reach the fundus. Whatever measurement you get in centimeters will be the approximate fetal age. So now let's do the Leopold's maneuvers. So first, the Leopold's maneuver 1. You stand on either side of the bed and face the upper part of the mother. Grasp the uterine fundus with both hands and identify what fetal pole occupies the fundus. The fetal head is firm, hard, round, ballotable, and movable, whereas the buttocks will feel softer and bulkier. So for Leopold's maneuver 1, we report this as either LM1 cephalic or LM1 breech. For Leopold's maneuver 2, you still face the patient and you grasp the sides of the abdomen with palms of both hands and determine on which side is the fetal back or small parts. Once you've determined where the fetal back is, you determine or count the fetal heart tones using the stethoscope or the fetal Doppler. So for LM2 or Leopold's maneuver 2, we report this as LM2 fetal back right or fetal back left. So for Leopold's maneuver 3, you still face the mother. Using the thumb and fingers of one hand, grasp the lower portion of the maternal abdomen just above the symphysis pubis. Determine if engagement of the fetal presenting part has occurred. If not engaged, a movable body part will be felt just above the symphysis pubis. Again, the fetal head will be felt as a firm, hard, round, ballotable, and movable mass, whereas the fetal breech will be softer and bulkier. So for Leopold's maneuver 3, we report this as LM3 cephalic or LM3 breech if the fetal presenting part is unengaged. For Leopold's maneuver 4, the student reverses position to face the lower part of the mother. Place one hand on either side of the lower pole of the uterus just above the symphysis pubis and determine on which side is the cephalic prominence and correctly identify the fetal attitude. If the head presents, one hand is arrested sooner than the other by a rounded body that's called the cephalic prominence, while the other hand descends deeply into the pelvis. If the cephalic prominence is on the same side as the fetal small parts, then the fetal head is in a flexed position. If the cephalic prominence is on the same side as the fetal back, then the head is in an extended position.